the spirit connects to the soul through conscience, just as a tree reaches toward the sky with its canopy, nourishing itself through photosynthesis. Likewise, the spirit connects to the material world through sensory experience that precedes bodily concepts, just as a tree connects to the earth with its roots, drawing nourishment from water and minerals. Just as a tree connects to the earth through its roots and to the sky through its canopy, so the spirit connects to both matter and the soul. Through its concepts, the spirit relates to the perceptible, visible reality of the body, and to our true self, the soul. Just as the trunk of the tree represents self-awareness, and through the logos gives rise to meaning, language, and concepts, so the spirit connects to both body and soul. Discerning and remembering consciousness, like the rings of a tree, manifests within self-awareness as growth inscribed in the trunk. Consciousness flows through the body, the soul, and the spirit, just as water flows through the tree. Consciousness permeates the body, the soul, and the spirit, just as water flows through the tree, and light passes through the prism. Consciousness, the unified presence of energy and information on the plane of spirit, manifests as self-awareness within the created being. The primordial ideas that precede all experience, logos, concepts, and thoughts, along with pre-experiential modes of perception such as space and time, become visible on the spiritual plane through discerning and remembering consciousness in the form of energy and information.